Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a DataCamp certification in LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, you want to go ahead and click on your profile and then click on view profile. Then from here, under your profile name, go ahead and click on the add profile section tab. Now a little pop-up's going to appear like so, where it says add to profile. Scroll down where it says recommended, go ahead and click on the little drop down. Now we've got the option under here, under recommended, add licenses and certifications. Then from here, simply fill in the details. So you want to go to put in the name and the issuing organization. So from here, type in DataCamp. LinkedIn should recognize this. So here it is here. I'm going to go ahead. Did you mean to choose that? Click yes. And then put the issue date, year, expiration date, year, credential ID, credential URL, and then go ahead and click onto save. And that's going to go ahead and add your DataCamp certificate to your LinkedIn profile.